Hi there, this is Shamsher again from Learn Digital. In last video, we have learned how to create account on email service provider website and how to upload data, how to add contacts, how to create mailing campaign, how to check report. All these things we have done practically. Now in this video, we are going to learn some rules and regulation for email marketing and some do's and don'ts. As well as there is a law for email marketing which is in some country which is mandatory like US and other western countries, and this law is called ICANN law. So if you are sending bulk email, promotional email, or you're doing email marketing, you must have to follow this law, ICANN spam law. And most of these ESPs like MailChimp we used in previous video, these companies are all complied with this law. So if you are doing email marketing, and so you must know this law, what are the rules and what are the regulations for sending emails in bulk or for doing bulk marketing. So we'll be learning this ICANN spam law. According to ICANN spam law, you cannot send mail to anyone. So this is on FTC government website. This rule is specifically for commercial email, not for business email. And email marketing is all about sending commercial email, promotional email, and bulk email, as we discussed in our first video. So if you use email marketing for your business, can spam